This is my question for you po. What is curriculum for you?
Based on my memory, curriculum is a set of subjects within a course, such as in our English, we have linguistics, we have literature, and so on and so forth.
Hi sir, good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Joven Sabido, and I took the program Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English.
Okay sir, what is curriculum for you?
Curriculum in education is overall plan for learning experience to help student achieve learning goals, specific learning goals. So basically, the teacher need, for example, in my experience, we make a lesson plan. So that is to help us what to teach in our classroom. Curriculum is a guide for us. So what are we going to teach them, or what's the learning goals, the objective that we're going to achieve, so that the student, what is the student should learn, or what the student should expect at the end of the semester or quarter. That is curriculum for me.
Good afternoon, ma'am. May I know your name?
My name is Karen May R. Valencia from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English.
So what do you think about curriculum?
So curriculum is set by CHED. It is a detailed plan for us students to reach specific goals. So that is curriculum for me, so that we can take those things that we need to attain for us to be ready in our jobs in the future.
Good afternoon, ma'am. May I know your name?
So my name is Oliana Ella Escol and I am from BSED English third year.
So, what is curriculum for you, ma'am?
So for me, curriculum is a set of planned courses that help students to achieve their educational growth or goal. That is it.
So good afternoon ma'am, may I know your name and your program?
Good afternoon. My name is Gaya Mariz Alson Singh and I am from BSED English.
So for you ma'am, what is curriculum?
So for me, curriculum is a set of activities and lessons, and it is a map to help students what will they learn and how will they learn it.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you tell us what's your name?
So I am Maricar Morales Dalura.
So for you, what is curriculum?
As for me, curriculum is a two-way collaboration of learning between the students and the teachers, because the teachers are there to facilitate the students' learning they'll do everything to make the students understand about the lessons that the teachers will teach, and of course curriculum is a learning guide. So as for me, that is curriculum.